I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an application question on linear systems. Peter wants to build an animal pen next to his barn. One of the longest sides will border the barn. So, only one long side and two short sides need to be built. Peter will use a total of 20 meters of fencing material, and he wants the pen to be half as wide as it is long. Find the desired width. So let's first sketch a diagram to represent the situation. Let's say that's the barn. Now what we really have is a pen along the barn. So the longest side is along the barn. So let's say let the pen be something like this. Now what is given to us is if the width is W and L is length, in that case we are given two conditions. One is Peter will use a total of 20 meters of fencing material. That means this is also width, right? That means width plus length is 20 meters. So that is the first part. And he wants the pen to be half as wide as it is long. That means we are also given that length is 2 times width, or width is half of length, right? So either way, so that is how it is given. So which you can also write as length is 2 times width, right? So what you have here is set of equations. First one, you could write this as 2 times width plus length equals to 20, and the second one as 2 times width as length, right? So we have two equations here, equation number 1 and equation number 2. With the help of these two equations, we can always find the variables length and width. Okay, so we'll use the method of substitution. We know length is 2 times width. We can substitute length from equation 2 into 1. And then what do we get? We'll get 2W plus, instead of length, I'm writing 2W, right, from equation 2. Twice the width equals to 20. That is 4 times the width is 20, and width therefore should be 20 divided by 4, which is 5. The units are meters, since the perimeter is in meters, right? So 5 meters. So we can write down our answer. That is, the desired width should be 5 meters, correct? So that is how you should solve the question. If the question says write down the dimensions, then you have to calculate length also, and length will be 2 times, right? So you can say length will be 2 times width, which is 10 meters. And then you can check your answer. 10 plus 5 is indeed 20. So that is how you should be solving such application questions. This is a simple example in which we are also writing a function in one variable. So we started with two variables and isolated or substituted one into the other, and then wrote our equation in one variable and then found that variable. So that is the technique to solve linear systems. Thank you and all the best.